Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com bringing you a re-review of a Noriko style in a much darker color than the original review. This is Georgia by Noriko in the color Chocolate Lava. Now, I reviewed Georgia and a couple of other Noriko styles that I reviewed when I first got my snazzy camera because the lighting was bad. Let's just call a spade a spade. The lighting was not that great. And so they were kind of dark. And so I figured that they deserved a re-investigation because they're such pretty styles. I don't feel like I really did them justice. So this time around, I wanted to show you what Georgia looks like in a really rich, gorgeous, dark, sort of chocolatey brown color. This is Chocolate Lava. So before I end this video, I will go into some detail about it. I'll put it right up in the camera. But for now, let's talk about Georgia while the wind is cooperating, because that's the thing I've been fighting the most the whole time I've been trying to shoot in England, is the wind is just really unbearable. Blows the hair all over the place. So it's behaving, so let's get to it. Georgia, super layered. Lots and lots of layering. It's not dissimilar from the Kenzie wig, except Kenzie's got more of a swoopy full bang and a bigger bump it in the back. When I turn to the side on Georgia, you can still see there's a bump it, but it's not sky high like the one on Kenzie. Also, the front on this is much longer. The one on Kenzie is kind of like wings swept off to the side. This one goes all the way down almost to my chin in front. So much more subtle layering. This wig reminds me a bit of Jackson, actually. If you took Jackson and gave her a monofilament top and then, you know, made her a little longer. Very similar styles in that regard. Let me go ahead and run through some specs real quick. The fringe is 8.25 inches, like I mentioned, considerably longer than on something like the Kenzie or the Seville. The crown down is 11.75 inches and the nape is 9.1 inches. So this is almost a 5-ounce wig. That's because it's got a lot of hair on it. Anyway, yeah, so this one is really pretty on, and I don't think I did it much justice when I initially reviewed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off so I can show you some of those monofilament features up close, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about this amazing sort of rich brunette color. She has a really similar cap construction to the Kenzie. She's got a monofilament top, hand-tied, single, so it's kind of scratchy. Has a big bump of permatease that eats into about 1/3 of it, so that's the whole top of the wig, so you can see there's the permatease. She's open in the back and the sides, does not have extended nape. It is felt inexplicably because maybe that's to help with grippiness, but definitely adjusts like a bra strap back here. No lace front or anything fancy, but that monofilament top is pretty nice. She's densely threaded. And let's take a look at this gorgeous Chocolate Lava. When I polled people last year and asked them what kind of colors they were looking for the most, the two most popular things that people were requesting were more brunette shades and more rooted brunette shades. This is such a gorgeous, subtle, highlighted brunette because, as you can see, it's got that neutral dark brown base, and the highlight isn't blonde, it isn't red, it is a medium golden brown. So it's a rare color, beautiful color, one that I hope will sell more of after I review this, because I would hate for them to ever discontinue it. It's so lovely and subtle. Kind of like Georgia the wig is sort of lovely, natural, subtle, and boom, goes right into place. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, CysterWigs. We sell hair, we talk hair, we geek out all over the web, so you can check us out on our blog, on Twitter, on Instagram, we're on Pinterest, like, we're all over the place. So check us out, be friends. We like being social with you. And this has been the Georgia by Noriko in the color Chocolate Lava. If you like brunettes and you would like to make sure this never gets discontinued, please order it because it's amazing. And I would be super sad and cry if they ever got rid of it. So until next time, you know, my 2 cents, peace out. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.